Okay, welcome back everybody. Today on Maverick How To, we're going to install a set of PRP door bags for the 2022 Polaris RZR Trail S 1000. Let's get to it. For removing the screws, we will use a T25. I like to start with the back here. Work our way forward. Also, there is adhesive that will mount right here. I like to use some rubbing alcohol here to help it to adhere a little bit. Just remember, for the bags where each one goes, you're going to want the knee pad out at the front of the door here. Okay. Put these back exactly the way we had them. I would suggest putting them on lightly. Not the whole way in yet. Until we get everything lined up. At this point, you want to remove the adhesive here. It's Velcro. Make it a little easier to pull off if you need to. Before we do that, we better pull the screws out here in the middle. These ones are a little harder to get at. You got the middle secure here. Gotta get the last one. Remember, don't tighten them up completely. Reason being, if you have to make an adjustment, make it a lot easier. And tighten everything up here at the end after we get it established. right, now that everything's loosely fit on there, we can apply the pressure here. Get the bag secured where the Velcro is and the adhesive. I like to hold it there for a little bit here to make sure it's going to stay. Perfect. All right, now I'll go back and tighten up the 5 screws. They don't have to be super tight. You want them nice and snug. And the last one. I've used these products before from PRP for their door bags. They're very nice. Place for your knees. If they bang off the side there, you'll be protected a little bit. Doesn't hurt as much. And a nice little bag to put some stuff in. Great product. Blue adds a nice touch. As for driver's side, you're going to do the same exact thing. There's no difference. Same screws, same process. And there she is, final product, driver's side and the passenger side here. Very nice PRP door bags. Check it out on their website if you're interested. I've used their bags before and always happy with the product they put out. I also like the blue, adds a little bit of touch to it. But that's pretty much it. Enjoy your day, guys, and check out my other videos. Feel free to subscribe. Maverick How To. You never know what I'm going to put on here next to see how to do something.